Hello everyone, welcome in MultiChoice Academy. Today we are solving NCERT Mathematics Class 7th Exercise 3.1. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get regular updates. Today we are starting a new chapter, data handling. Previous video links are given in the description box. You can watch it.
Now, in this chapter, today I explain the what is mean with the help of question number 5. The given question is 3 players are playing 4 games and score points are given in table. Player A playing 4 games 1, 2, 3, 4 and scores 14, 16, 10, 10. B player play 4 games 0, 8, 6, 4. Player C play 3 games. He is not part in game 3. So here he did not play. Okay, means he take the parts in 3 games 1, 2 and 4, 8, 11, 13 score. For that type of question, first you sum the each player's score. Okay, so first we sum the each player total point score. The total point score here is A. We sum the 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 50. 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 80. 8 plus 11 plus 13 is equal to 32. It is simply you sum up all the games and we find the total score of the each players. Okay. In that question, first you understood what is the meaning of the mean. Mean is the sum of all the observation. Sum of all the observation divided by number of observation. Are you getting that point? What is the difference between these numerator and denominator? In the numerator, you are taking the sum of all observation. Suppose we are taking the player A. The observation is 14, 16, 10, 10. That is the score point is the observation. So here we do the sum of all observation. Means 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 50. And in the denominator, number of observation. Number of observation means how much he is playing the game. That is the basic difference. When the ratio of the sum of all observation to the number of observation, it is called the mean of that quantity. So, the first question is find the mean of A's. A's matlab player A. We want to find it what is the mean of the player A. Score point, how much he scores, mean. For that purpose, we are using the sum of all the observation. Sum of all the observation means we sum of 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10. And number of observation, how much game is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are writing down the 4. 50 upon 4 is equal to 12.5. I think it is clear to all of you. If any problem, you can comment. Now second part. In the second part, similarly you can find the mean of the C's. Okay. But in that question, in your book, that part is asking you take the 3 or 4. It is okay. It is asking in player C you are taking the game 3 or 4. Which you take it. Okay. So for that purpose you keenly observe that the player C score. We see that in that table, C is playing 1 game, score 8, second game, score 11. But he didn't play the game third. Okay, he is not participated. So now the and fourth game C scored the 13. So you remember that he did not play means you are taking only the 3. The number of observations are 3. So here we take our answer is 3. So using that 3 you can find the C's means is same 8 plus 11 plus 13 upon 3. Not 4 is here. You are not take that is the 0 because he is not the score 0. It is doesn't take the part of to that game. I think you can understood that point. Now in third part. The third part is asking the find the mean of bees. Okay. Similarly, process is same. Mean is equal to sum of all observation is equal upon number of observation. Here you see that main difference between C and B. Here B is participated in 1 but score is 0. So now we are taking the number of observation is 4 not 3. That is the main difference between B and C. Here we take the observation in C, that is the 3 because it is not taking the part in one game. I think it is clear that point. So for finding the B's mean, you sum up 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 18. 18 upon 4. So it may be the 9 by 2 or 4.5. That may be the answer. And last part of that question is who is the best performance. So which is score the more point, that is the best performance. So we have finding out the total sum of the each player A, B, C. So A scored the 50, B score 18, C score 32. So which is the best? The highest score is 50 means therefore the best performance is the player A. If you have any query, any problem, you can comment me. Thank you.